Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khameni has responded to US sanctions, saying America's power and hegemony in the world is declining and moving towards destruction and waning year by year. He also added that the United States is much weaker than it was 40 years ago when the Iranian Revolution happened.
و اقتدار و هیمنه آمریکا در دنیا رو به افول و رو به زواله. در طول سالها هی داره کم میشه. آمریکای امروز از آمریکای 40 سال قبل که انقلاب پیروز شد به مراتب ضعیف‌تره. قدرت آمریکا رو به افول. این نکته مهم اینه.